So, we are right next to Pretty Bird's giant puddle, and you guys can see her right there. She's trying to take a bath in her bowl instead of using the very nice puddle. What am I supposed to do with it? Pretty Bird? Pretty Bird? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you coming? Pretty Bird? Pretty pretty? Cuckoo? Pretty? Alright, I'm leaving. Pretty Bird? Pretty Bird? What are you doing? Are you coming? She's arguing with me. Pretty Bird? Are you coming? Cuckoo? Mm-hmm. Pretty Bird. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you coming? Are you busy? Did you take a bath? She took a bath. Big Bird? Oh, Big Bird. Everybody loves the Big Bird. Yes, they do. Everybody loves the Big Bird. Big Bird, why are you not taking a bath in a puddle? You got such a pretty puddle. Look, there's a pretty puddle for you right there. Go on, go play. She's not gonna. What am I supposed to do with this? Spoiled goose. Use a spoiled goose. Pretty Bird, are you spoiled? Are you spoiled, Pretty Bird? Are you spoiled? Pretty Bird, are you spoiled? Oh, shake, shake. Yeah. Are you spoiled? Yeah. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Thank you. Oh, Mama loves you, Pretty. Come here. Oh, Pretty. Oh, thank you. Oh, it's one of my favorite things when she rolls her head in my hand. Oh, Pretty, Pretty. Oh, Pretty. Mama loves a Pretty Bird. Right? You a good bird? Are you a good bird? Are you a good girl? Oh. Mama loves you. What? I was gonna give you kisses. I was gonna give you kisses. Give Mama kisses. What are you doing? Can Mama have kisses? She's like, no, I'm busy. I'm busy. Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird. Mama loves a Pretty Bird. Whisper, 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 whisper. Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird. Can you whisper? Thank you for kisses. No, thank you for kisses. Hi, Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Hi. Shh. Oh, what do you hear? What is it? You hear the birdies? You hear the birdies? Yeah. Ooh, the birdies. Everybody hears the birdies. You hear the birdies? Oh, Mama gets groomed now too. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, Pepper. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. That's so nice of you. Thank you. Oh. Alrighty, y'all. Before the phone overheats, I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video. Now you guys saw. She doesn't always listen when she's busy. And because she knows I'm not gonna leave her. She just, like, literally knows. And if I went too far, she would come running. Anyways, but at the same time, she does love me. Look. Oh, that cute little birdie. Oh, the cute little goose goose. Hi, goose goose. Hi, goose goose. Oh, the pretty. Pretty bird. I tell everybody, say share the video. Show everybody in the world how beautiful I am. Yeah? Yeah. So everybody can smile and feel the love that comes from the pretty bird. Yes. Anyways, if you liked this video, if you enjoyed seeing Pretty Bird this morning, don't forget to like the videos. Subscribe to the channel so you can keep up with Pretty Bird and the Pretty Bird flock and the Pretty Bird family, I should say. And leave your comments. Don't forget to leave us a name suggestion for our baby cockatiel. And what? And like before, don't forget to share the video with your friends and family so they too can feel the pretty bird cuteness and love. Look at that bubble. You're so cute. You're so cute. Are you so cute? You're so cute. Hey, Pippa. Say bye-bye, everybody. Say love y'all. Say bye-bye, everybody. Bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Up. There's your kiss.